Let's start with adding cube into scene. Select and enter modeler mode. Move the cube to bottom corner. Mirror the cube in X, Y, and Z axis. Select front cube and assign new material. Deselect all and switch to edit point mode. Select all points located at middle. Apply edge crease and set value to 2. Exist to scene mode. Set the cube subdivision level to 4. Set color for the cube. And set background color. Append light setting from other project. Switch to orthographic view by long press on perspective button. Reposition view and render. This is a quick 3D artwork creation within 3 minutes. You can experiment with different settings to get different result. Have fun and thank you for watching.